Kuthe zole ngokungakusela uxolweni kwirenki yeeTaxi ekwinkaba yedolophu eStilfontein. Kodwa ushishino lweeTaxi kulamandla luchazwa njengesiqubu semfazwe. Ukugala nje kwinyanga kaJanuwari sele kudutyulwe isithandathu sabaqhubi, abathathu babhubha, isithathu sonzakala. Santakho ithi sizeka bani soludushe kumsindo okhulayo koonoteksi nabatyhola urhulumente ngongenzi ngokwaneleyo ukuhlangabezana neengxaki zabo.
3 years before the 2 years, we did not have the killings in terms of us being informed. But recently, since last year, we experienced a challenge where there were operators that will be stopped at hiking spots by operators, sometimes by security people whom have been deployed by taxi operators, because they will be complaining to say the government is not doing enough in terms of dealing away with illegals.
Sebe lezothutho kwiphondo liyavuma ukuba zingangoboya benja ingxaki abajongene nazo.
Taxi associations are not governed properly by the leadership. 2, there is a contest of leadership. 3, there is a contest for lucrative routes and the control of taxi ranks. 4, there is the use of what we call taxi warlords, where the promotion of individuals who bully around others is now in the rise. 5, there is illegal operations in the province that have phenomenally grown over a short period of time.
Kodwa bathi luninzi ungenelelo abasele belwenzile.
We have been able to resolve out of 22 conflicts that were registered with us. We have been able to resolve 15 of those conflicts where parties have been given determinations to deal with the problems that we have identified that causes the conflict. But there are conflicts that can be resolved around the table. Once a person acts illegally, that matter can be resolved around the table. We need to formulate a strategy, a law enforcement strategy that must deal with that type of a problem.
Kusenjalo abaqhubi balile ukuthetha kwikhamera kodwa bathi baphila ngoloyiko. Isicelo sabo kumagosa onyanzeliso mthetho sesokuba khe onyuse umxakatho ukuthibaza ubundlobongela obandayo kweli candelo labo.